Embark on a journey where mystery calls, adventure is a constant companion, and challenges are but a stepping stone. Welcome the return of a legendary ally, the all-new Mitsubishi Pajero, roaring back to life in India. Rekindling its hiatus, the Mitsubishi Pajero redefines exploration and performance. Its timeless design meets state-of-the-art technology, reigniting the passion for adventure. Engineered to master all terrains, the Pajero isn't merely a vehicle, it's a testament to resilience and reliability. Its rugged build and sophisticated engineering transform every drive into an unforgettable experience. Feel the thrill of unmatched performance. Venture to the nearest Mitsubishi dealership today and set off on a journey without limits in the all-new Mitsubishi Pajero. The legend is back, stronger than ever. Mitsubishi Pajero, where adventure intertwines with legend. Your journey begins here.